So now I tell you that this is the y equals to fx graph, all right? And I tell you that the x coordinates of the maximum point is at negative alpha, which is here. But problem is usually harder when you don't have numbers to do. When you have numbers to do, everybody also know how to do, okay? So the differentiation between whether you are B3 or A2 and A1 is whether you know how to solve this kind of questions when it's not a non-calculus kind, all right? So you have y equals to fx, and they tell you that the maximum point is at negative alpha, the minimum point is at alpha, okay? And they say that if you differentiate it one time, f prime x is a quadratic equation because it's ax squared plus bx plus c, okay? Now, if I convert this to a f prime x graph, so let's draw this, okay, against x. First thing first, what is the first most important thing you must look out for? Turning point. So the turning point is at negative alpha, means your f prime x equals to 0 at negative alpha. That means it will intersect here, and also it will intersect here, okay? On the left side of negative alpha, is positive or negative? It's positive, yeah? But it's positive increasing or positive decreasing? So that's the next thing you know, positive increasing or positive decreasing. So if next time when you're not sure, just draw a few tangents. So this one's tangent is like that, then after that it becomes like that, then after that it becomes like that. So it's tangent, again, positive increasing or positive decreasing? Decreasing. So you start from a very high value, it decreases, it will hit to 0. Okay? And since you already know that it's quadratic equation already, right? So you can just, turn and then hit like that. Okay? As is with the same as the previous two questions, you realize that most of the time they will always give these two curve turning point and then ask you to draw. You see, again, the first question is also two curve turning point. All these are from different schools. And then most of the time they give you the starting position is always a two turning point kind of curve. Okay? So even though it feels like just a 6-mark question, right? Yeah? Okay? Do not try to think that, okay, I can just solve it by just looking and then, with no argument. Now, he's asking you, for each of the following state reason whether they are positive or negative. So for part 1, b squared minus 4ac. When do you see, I like this question a lot and I always discuss with all my Sec 4. b squared minus 4ac, when do you see this? Sec 3, right? Second topic, right? Discriminant, right? Second or third topic, discriminant, yeah? And what is the significance of b squared minus 4ac? So now, because this guy is your ax squared plus bx plus c. How many roots are there? 2. So b squared minus 4ac is greater, smaller, or equals to 0? Greater than 0, okay? Greater than 0. Why? Because there are 2 real and distinct, must say distinct roots. Okay, greater than 0. All right. Next one. B over A. Where do you see this before? So it's like a differentiation question can link with this. Can. Then you look at the next one. C over A. B over A. C over A. It's the sum product of roots, remember? Remember sum product of roots? Yes. Alpha plus beta is the sum of roots, right? Is equals to negative b over a. Okay, and then alpha beta is equals to c over a. Yeah, alpha plus beta is negative b over a. So that's why you see when b over a sometimes, when you say complete the square, it might not necessarily be wrong. You see, it might be able to give you something, but that may not be the easiest or may not be the best. So C over A, confirm for you already that definitely we are talking about this topic. Okay, negative P over A is equals to the negative of the sum of roots right now. Okay, why is it negative of the sum of roots? Because sum of roots is equals to negative B over A. So B over A is equals to the negative of sum of roots. Okay, so what is the sum of roots? The roots is negative alpha plus alpha. Then what is this equals to? 0. Okay, so a question like this, a same question like that probably may not happen ever again. But just to invoke your thinking that when you see this kind of graph, dy dx, think of the turning point. Okay, and see how you can relate yourself. Okay, next one, C over A is equals to the product of roots. which is equals to negative A multiplied by alpha. Okay, which is equals to negative alpha square. Yeah. A square number is always positive. So a negative of an alpha square. Greater or smaller than 0? Smaller than 0. Well done. Okay. So this is a very pretty question, alright, where it, makes you use the concept of dy dx and link it with, it can be discriminant, it can also be sum product of roots. Okay? Okay. So of course, in a way, I hope that something similar like that will happen again. Then you all can know how to do. Okay.